hear my kids yelling in the back. I'll just show you this. I don't have a camera on it because I'm filming with the camera.
Hi there, this is the unboxing of the Zhiyun Weebill S Gimbal. If you're thinking of buying one of these bad boys, then stick around and see what comes straight out of the box.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Seek a Look Digital Video, giving tips on making videos, content creation and gear reviews. Subscribe below and leave a comment.
When you get your gimbal, expect to see these things straight out of the box. The box is well made, and inside you'll receive a user guide, a service guide and a one-page accessory brochure. The Weebill S is built so you can add additional accessories, and there's quite a few add-ons for it. You can also download the user guide in a PDF format on the Zhiyun website. I'll leave the link below. The gimbal comes in a custom styrofoam case with slots to place all its parts. You'll get the gimbal itself, which comes with a quick release plate, a base plate, a tripod, a battery charger, 2 rechargeable batteries and some camera cables. Let's look at these things in more detail. The tripod mount is a rounded design with a rubberized coating for great grip, which is used to hold the gimbal upright. It comes with a 1/4 thread, so you can easily screw in at the base of the gimbal. The quick release plate attaches to your camera. It comes with an additional lens support, which works alongside other Manfrotto devices. The base plate can be used to raise bigger camera lenses. It comes with a various amount of cables, USB-Cs and micros to fit all types of cameras. So what about the gimbal itself? It's small, lightweight, well built and very comfortable. Each motor axis has its own locking switch, which makes it easy to set up and balance, as well as store away, which makes it exceedingly travel friendly. The grip is also rubberized like the tripod. You've got a control wheel, a trigger button, a directional pad and another control wheel. Each mode has its own dedicated switch. It comes with an OLED screen so you can view your gimbal settings. The Weebill S comes with a bunch of features. You can see more about how those features work in these videos here. It also has a connection so you can transmit your camera's video feed to your smartphone whilst filming, and another quarter tap hole for adding another handle for filming in slingshot mode, and another one here for adding accessories. I'm looking forward to using this gimbal. I'm excited. If you like the video, then subscribe below. I'll be releasing another video on what it's like filming using the Weebill S Gimbal. If you're looking for a video on how to set up the Weebill S Gimbal, then check out these videos here. That's it. See you soon.
For more filming tips, check out this playlist. And remember, subscribe below and leave a comment.